Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. I've been very happy with the Ryobi 40 volt system that I have for the string trimmer and the blower. So I went ahead today and bought the cordless hedge trimmer with, of course, gas-like power. You have to have that. So we're going to unbox it, put it together, and put it to work. Show you guys how it works and see what I think. Tell you if I recommend it or not, and let you guys know. If you're interested in the older videos that I did on the string trimmer and the blower, I'm going to put links to them in the description and right here in the top right corner for you to go check out. So let's break into this box. Alright, so it comes fully assembled right out of the box, which is nice. It comes with the instructions, one battery, and if you have another, one of the systems of 40 volt, then you'd have another battery at home, which I do, which will make swapping out between the hedge trimmer, the string trimmer, and the blower really easy. And then it comes with a charger. It's a different kind of charger than the one that I have for the other 40 volt battery, so I'm hoping that they're interchangeable. Let's find out. Yeah, it's the same battery. Slides right on the charger like so. For some reason the charger that I have for the other system is just a little bit bulkier. I'm going to grab the other battery and make sure they're the same. So this is the battery off the string trimmer and blower, 40 volt. 2.6 amp hours. This is the new one. Has the same clip mechanisms and same amp hours. They're identical. Let's see if the old one fits on the new charger. It does indeed. So that'll be nice. I have two chargers now and two batteries. One thing that this comes with that I like, I think it's going to be a nice feature, is this, what they call Hedge Sweep Debris Remover, or debris for your sophisticated ones. But it slides on here. Like so. And it makes it so that as you're trimming things, that anything that falls just automatically goes on either side of the blades. So let's give it a whirl. It works. Another thing that's really cool is you can pivot the head up to 90 degrees and 45 degrees off of the battery center. So if you pull this trigger here, see it swivels to 45 degrees. So now as the battery in your grip is centered vertically, your cutter is at 45 or you go to 90. Pretty cool. And the safety is in the handle. So as long as you got your hand on the handle, it's not a hassle to have the safety depressed so that it operates. Let's go cut some hedges. there you go, about 75 feet of thorny rose bushes, trimmed up straight as a drunken sailor, and only took about 10 minutes. Now it's just time to clean up. Probably get a little action out of the Ryobi blower as I do so. Switch over to the blower. Let's get to business. So overall, I am very impressed with this hedge trimmer. It did the job. The battery had more than enough power to last through what I needed. I don't have extensive hedges that need to be trimmed constantly, but for the rare occasion that I do, it will certainly do. You know, if you have a more substantial yard and a significant amount of shrubbery, you may want a gas one, but for a smaller residential lot, this will definitely do the job. There was only one time that the cutters got hung up, and it was on a pretty thick branch, probably 3/4 of an inch. So that's not to be unexpected. I just took it off that branch and started over, and it worked fine. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with Ryobi. I mean, I have all their products, the string trimmer, the blower, and now the hedge trimmer, but they all just work really well. I like the battery system, I like the power, I like the system, so they work well for me on my residential lot. If you're thinking about it and you're on the fence, I give it 2 thumbs up. I'll put links in the description below for where you can find these. Other than that, thanks for watching. If this was at all helpful for you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you're interested in more videos from me, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.